It looks as though my heat gun was a little bit too close to the work. Just arrived back at the powder coaters now, and here are my wheels. They turned out absolutely awesome. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. Just that whole satin finish just looks awesome. It's not over the top, and I think they're going to be great. This little idea came up really nice. Yeah, didn't see my video prior to this that show you how to actually plug them. That's perfect, because then I can just pull those plugs out, those bolts, and it's a nice clean channel for the bearings. So yeah, now I just got to go and get some rubber for them. Oh hell yeah, they're going to look so good on the bike. It looks as though my heat gun was a little bit too close to the work. As you can see, I've had this forever, and I've used it a lot, and it's just died. Like, the thermostat inside it obviously can't handle running for that long, considering it's this old, and it's time for a new one, because now I can't finish the job unless I do it. Well, I probably could, but I would rather do it this way because it's a lot easier. So a new heat gun it is. Alrighty, here we go again. I am getting new sprockets and a chain, however for now I don't have them, so I'm just going to throw the old one on just so that I can fit it up. So one of my subscribers, I think his name's Timmy, was asking about my aquarium. So I just thought I'd quickly touch on it now. This is for you, buddy. And all the fish that are in this tank are African cichlids. There's one bristle nose left somewhere along there. I think he's hiding. But yeah, I've had many fish in this tank, but recently I've had a bit of a parasite outbreak, so I've lost quite a few, and at the moment there's just a few left there. They're all basically just peacocks, which is just a variety, I guess, of the African cichlids. But yeah, I did have 2 tanks. I'm now down to 1, so that's just what it is. And yeah, it's a 4-foot tank. So yeah, back into the bike building stuff. So now that the bearings are in the wheels, I've pretty much put the axles through and installed them on the bike. Pretty much did them up just enough to nip them up so that it's tight on the bike. I'm not going to ride it anytime soon, so I'm not worried about that. But I just want to actually take this jack out. So I'm going to push the bike forward, clamp it up, and then take the jack out, take the big stand off, and then drop it back down to its height and just see where it sits. I'm really interested to see how much it moves. It shouldn't move too much, but obviously this back end is just, there's no weight on it at all, and there's not really going to be much weight on it anyway when I do drop it down, but I just want to see how it sits and what it looks like once it's done, so I'll do that now. So I think it dropped a little bit, but I don't think it dropped much. It did give me a better understanding of where it's going to sit on the road, so therefore I can work out everything else. But I'm really happy with it. I think it looks absolutely amazing just as is. But yeah, let me know what you think about it. If you do like it, or if you don't like it, leave me a comment and let me know.